would say being exposed to the forest and the people there. Being a Dayak for me was identifying with this inherited responsibility of taking care of my land, my culture, and my people. My name is Laetania Belai Jandam, but you can call me Belai. I'm 20. I'm a health and human sciences student at the University of Sheffield here in the UK, and I'm also an Indigenous environmental activist. The tribe that I come from, it's called the Dayak tribe, and we are known as the indigenous peoples of Borneo. I was born and raised in Bogor, which is in Java, the main island of Indonesia. One of the things that my parents really prioritized was to expose myself to like nature and community work. So I remember ever since I was small, they would take me to different like national parks, to the forest in Kalimantan, to meet the local communities in East Nusa Tenggara, for example. And I do acknowledge like my privilege being able to do all these visits and trips, but I'm still grateful that my parents prioritized this idea of having me build an intimate relationship with like nature and culture and communities, because it's shaped a large part of who I am today. Sometimes it's as simple as, okay, this is beautiful, this is important, and I need to take care of this. The main space in which I do my activism, I would say, is climate justice and climate intersectionality. The first one is youth empowerment. Especially as a youth myself, it's thinking about how do I make sure that other youth, whether that's in urban or rural areas, they receive the same kind of climate education, the same awareness, and also do climate action. The second one would be Indigenous people's rights. Also relating to my background as a part of an Indigenous tribe, the role of Indigenous peoples, especially in the climate space, is important, and that starts with rights. The third one is community-based forest management. What this means is engaging with either indigenous or local communities when it comes to managing natural resources. The last one is pushing for awareness and solutions in the planetary health realm. This comes from my background of both studying medical science but also being an environmental activist. There's a great opportunity for planetary health in Indonesia, and so that's what I'm trying to push for in my activism as well.